Hello guys, Taps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I upload videos every now and then around WordPress, teaching you the things that work, hacks, the things that don't work, and helping you look like a pro. So if you are stumbling on this channel for the very first time, you're welcome. This website you can see on my screen was the one I transferred in my last video from Astra to Cadence. But I just realized again that many times many people have had issues leaving Astra, or I've had issues using other themes even when they look like they are better, like Cadence and Gutenberg, because people know that they don't have options for templates. One of the reasons personally I still use Astra from time to time, even for my clients, is because I have tons and tons of templates that I can easily pick on and just edit, but I wouldn't find all of that with Cadence and also with Gutenberg. But again, there's some new plugins now that are creating beautiful landing pages for Gutenberg, which I'll be sharing with you in subsequent videos. So in case you're into Gutenberg and you want to know how you can design a highly beautiful, stunning website with Gutenberg, you can check my previous videos and I'll be uploading more videos subsequently. But in this video, I want to show you how you can bring in any Astra template into any theme you are using. But in this tutorial, I would be using Cadence theme. Any tutorial at all, you know, all those wonderful templates you see in Astra, the truth is that in all honesty, you can use them in any theme you want to use it. I will show you, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to get that done. I don't want to waste so much time, so let's get started immediately. Just before I go straight into the tutorial, if you are open to making more money online, you're open to making more money with WordPress, not just designing a website for yourself alone, but if you're open to some kind of more ways of making money, then you should pay attention to this. This is my website, dapstutorial.com, and I showed in this video, as you can see on the screen, how I went from debt to millions with WordPress. And in this course here, in this mini course here, I showed exactly the businesses I have done that brought me from being in debt, broke, to having millions with WordPress in the space of 2-3 years. And it looked like my dream life had come true. As you can see here, I married my bestie, I work from home, I spent time exploring art, I spent time with my family, and this is all I do right now. So if you are looking to learning more on how you can make money online, this is free, totally free, and trust me, no BS, nothing. So you can come here and just register your name and your email address, then get free instant access. So let's get back to the tutorial straight up. One thing you have to do for you to be able to use this starter template is for you to install the starter pack. Yeah, it's just simple. And again, you should make sure that you have installed Astra in your WordPress. You don't need to activate it. Like right now, let me come to my appearance and let's come to themes. You would see that Cadence theme is active, but I have Astra installed. That's the hack. Install Astra themes and just go to your plugin, type in Astra starter template and install that plugin. But I think I've installed that plugin at some point, so I'll just have to activate it. Okay, where is okay, this is it, starter template. So let me activate this plugin. But if you just type Astra starter template, you would find this plugin, and now it's installed, and that's everything we need for us to be able to import this template into any theme. And we are using Cadence theme now, so let me come down here and this is the template here. Let me just go to C library, and this is Astra already. This is our template. But for us to be able to use the free version, if you want to go pro, you can install Astra Pro. Perhaps I will talk more about Astra Pro in my subsequent videos, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's limit it to free. And then we know that every template we have here is free, so you can install any template from here into your website. Okay, so let me try with this. This is a lab, and okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, let me just install the home page alone, not the complete site. Okay, As you can see here, your selected template is being imported. The import process can take a few minutes and it is done already even before we finish. So let's view this template. Let's see exactly what we have. Bingo, we already have this theme installed in Cadence, and it just can't get any more beautiful than this. That's it. So beautiful, and you have everything well you have everything well laid out and working well, and the theme is still by Cadence and Astra is embedded inside Cadence. Can you imagine that? So simple. The day I discovered this, it made my life easier. It made work easy for me. I can easily bring any Astra template into anything I'm using, most especially Cadence. Cadence give you high level of customization, and you just want to use a theme like that. And knowing that I can bring in any template from Astra, my favorite template, then yeah, it's just mind assuring, and is something beautiful for me, in all honesty. So you can try this out and see how it works for you. What is not aligning here is the menu I created here in my last video. And I want you to note this, that while you are importing your Astra theme, because Astra theme is not active, you won't be able to bring in the customization from Astra into this. So what you have on your previous theme, your menu, your whatever, would be active, and your CSS from your last theme will be active on that page. So right now you can see that the menu here is the same menu I've had on my website before I import this. So I would have to customize this for it to fit into every new page that I have. And you can watch my last video to see how I created this menu with Cadence if you want to learn that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you, has shown you exactly how you can get the most of Astra even if you are not using Astra. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, drop them for me in the comment section below. I'd love to hear that. I would love to respond to you and assist you as much as possible as I can. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, sincerely, you are not doing right. Please and please and please subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. I'll be glad to have you on board. This is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, have a nice time. Bye.